Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Goals game issue, and the issue is Goals game is stuck on finishing install at 0%. So if you are also facing this issue, then here follow the fixes. So first of all, open Steam and select the Goals game, and if you see any update option over here, then click on update button and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So click on play button. This will launch the game, so please wait. It is optimizing, it is launching. You can see 100%. So you have to just check for the update. A new update has been enrolled. Now I am getting this error, failed to open descriptor file. So in such case, click on OK and your game will not launch. Now what you have to do, you have to look for the alternative solution. So if you have Epic Games installed on your PC, then open Epic Games Launcher and inside the store search for GOLS Goals and then click on this game, Goals game, and then click on get button and install it. And after installing the Goals game on Epic Games Launcher, try to launch the game and check. Or you can also open Xbox app and here search for Goals game and then click on it and then click on get free button to install the Goals game from the Xbox app, and then you can click on play button and launch the game and check. So this is the alternative solutions. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Goals game stuck on finishing install at 0%. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.